I'm back. Actually, I was back yesterday. However, I was exhausted and we didn't get home or I didn't get in bed until 2:30 in the morning yesterday morning. And so I didn't have a whole lot of sleep. I was glad to get back to work, but about 5 o'clock, even though we were open till 7 last night, I was like, I'm out of here. And I did not make a video. My apologies, but I'm back. I'm back. We had a lovely time. It was beautiful. We were down in the U.S. Virgin Islands on a sailboat, and the weather was beautiful, and snorkeling on a good day is just, on a spectacular day when the sun is shining through this clear water and it hits a little fish probably that big, but it's the most iridescent blue that you have ever looked at in your life. And it has little perfect polka dots all over it that are like electric turquoise. And oh my God, it's so gorgeous. And whoosh, it's gone. And you're like, oh man. I did see it a couple more times, not the particular fish, another time. But anyway, and then they're blue and they're black and they have just a yellow tail, a bright yellow tail. And then it's like green underneath. And you're like, oh, it's, God's wonders. It is so spectacular. Oh, it's just, you just swim along and you're just grateful. You're just grateful. So gorgeous. Anyway, that was my trip, besides not having to cook and not having to do anything but knit, read, sit, snorkel, sun. It was nice. But to be honest, I looked at my husband on Monday. We were leaving on Tuesday, and I said, I think a week is enough. And he was like, yeah, a week is enough. So we all need to get back and get some purpose in our lives, but it's nice to have a break. So enough rambling. We are loaded with Rios. Loaded with Rios. Get out your pattern books and see what you can do. We have got it in stock. And what? Our semi-annual clearance sale started while I was gone. My girls got it organized. It was raring to go. So it is up to 75% off selected yarns. It starts at 25 and it goes up. And who knows, the longer you wait, the more discounts will happen. But then again, it might be gone. So check it out. Semi-annual clearance sale is on. Definitely on. It is Friday. I forgot to tell you. It's Friday, January 5th, 2023. I wrote my first check. I didn't make a mistake. I got the right year. Praise God. All right. I seem to be rambling. I have to get back in the swing of things with what's going on. We have a lot of plans. We had a team meeting this afternoon. We have lots of good plans coming up. Mark your calendars. If you were looking for the Last Resort and Spa Sunday retreat from 10 to 4, look no further. It is on our calendar, and we will be sending out an email. It's going to be in February. It's going to be on, you know what? I don't know when it's going to be on. We'll figure it out. It's in February. It's not going to be in January. So hang tight. I think it's at the end of February. So pay attention. Get signed up. It'll be amazing. All right. I think that's all I have, because it is. I got to get back in the swing. All right. I have missed you. I have missed being here, but I am rejuvenated, right? I hope you all had a blessed and fabulous Christmas and a very happy New Year's. And it's a new year. It's a fresh start, right? All chances and opportunities lie in wait for us. So all we have to do is grab it. I'll see you tomorrow.